Hey, I almost walked into you. You blinking? Okay, so I'm not sure if this guy's this tongue. He's a turtle friend. He's going back. Okay. It looks like he's going back. Maybe I could pan out a little bit. He knows where the water is. So for the turtle, it's gotta get back, I think. Alright, so this is my turtle friend. I found him. He was on the train tracks. And hopefully he goes back to the water, because I don't... He looks like he's going back to the water. From my end, he knows where the water is. So originally he was on the train tracks. And it looks like he's making he's not making a run for it. But he's making a very slow crawl towards the water, so I think he's okay. He's very cute.